The best thing in our life are mostly beyond our eyesight. They are most often felt from the heart. With this beautiful quote today, I wish you all a wonderful and awesome good morning to my dear children. How are you all? Hope all of you are in the best of your health with God's grace. Children, with beautiful thought of the day, I also start my beautiful day with my dear children, means with you. So today I am going to start my previous work, or you can say I am continuing my previous work. Hope all of you remember what we were doing. Yes, we were doing tenses. Now, just have a quick recap of what we did in the last class about tenses. What was tense? I told you tense means time. It means tense tell us the time of an action taken place, whether the action was in past, present, or future. Now today I will be starting with future tense. But before that, what was a simple tense? I told you simple tense. It has simple present tense and continuous form. We did it. In simple present tense or present form, I told you that it includes the habitual actions, routine actions, universal truths, or sayings, and it includes verb plus SES or IES according to the spellings. Then I told you that in the continuous form we add verb plus ing, he, she, it, or you can say is RM plus verb plus ing. I am going, he is going, she is going. So it is MR plus verb plus ing form of the tense in continuous. Children, again I'm telling you that sometimes we are confused between present and continuous. Wherever you see ing, most children write it's present tense. No. Present is, again I'm telling you, it's a habitual action, routine action, you can say universal truth, facts, or you can say instant actions which take place. But our continuous is verb plus ing, is rm ing, whereas ever it is ing, it is a continuous form, not the present. It can be past, present, or future, but continuous means action is still going on. The action is not over, it is still going on at the time. I hope this much is clear. We did its exercises also. Now moving further to your future tense. Now the word future, all of us know it means the time which has to come. Now let's see what's there in the future tense. There are few different ways in English that you can talk about future. We generally use will and going to speak about the future. Now, there are few different ways of detecting that the sentence is in the future tense. Generally, we say we will, I will, you will, or I will be going, you will be going, I will be doing, like this. Now, where we use be going to? We use be going to when we intend to do something in future. For example, I am going to drive there and talk to her. Be means the be form of the verb is rm. We are going to practice more and defeat them next time. So here we are intending to do something in the future. We use be going to when we have already decided to do something. Now, if I have decided something to do in the future, then also I use be going to. For example, I will be going to Delhi next week. I will be going to complete my work within an hour. We are going to fishing today, like this. Next is we use be going to form when we know that something will happen because of situation now. For example, situational sentences is don't forget to take your umbrella. Look at these black clouds. It's going to rain. Now, children, see, here is the situation. They are showing us the situation that the clouds are black. So, it can rain. So, take your umbrella with you. Next, positive form. I am going to Delhi. He, she, it is going to Delhi. You, were, we, they are going to Delhi. Negative form, I'm not going to Delhi, she is not going to Delhi, you, we, they are not going to Delhi. Interrogative. Interrogative means when we ask question. I am plus going to am I going to Delhi? Is he, she, it going to Delhi? Are you, we, they going to Delhi? So here is the question form. Interrogative means question form. Negative means where answer is no, and positive where the answer is in yes. Next, we use will when we decide to do something at the moment of speaking. The speaker has not decided before. For example, what would you like to have, soda or coffee? I will have coffee. The speaker decides the moment, yes. Now, see, for example, according to this, I have not decided what I am going to prepare. But when you come home, or anybody comes home, uh, the person asks, what would you like to have for lunch or dinner? Then you prepare. Means here the action is not decided, it is decided at a particular moment of time in future. We use will for what we think will happen in future. I think she will come to my party. I don't know what we will do tomorrow when a thinking is going on for the future. We use will for what we think will happen in the future. Same sentence. I think she will come to my party. I don't know what will we do tomorrow. Positive. I will do this. He, she, it will come. You will, they come. Negative form again is there. I won't be doing. I will not be doing this work. Interrogative. Why will you go there? Why will he go? Time expressions with will and be going to. Now, the words which we use generally related to time with will and going to are soon, tomorrow, in few days, next month, later, the day after, etc. Now, let's look at some examples. It's very cold. It's going to snow today. Are you going to stay with me? I won't redecorate the room. Will you throw a party this weekend? I'm thirsty. I will drink a glass of water. I'm going to fly to London tomorrow. What are we going to do when they arrive? Now becomes your future continuous. Continuous again I told you it takes ing form, whether it is in past, present or future. Now let's see. The future continuous or future progressive is used to talk about actions in future. For example, will be plus present tense. The verb in the continuous tense indicates an ongoing or an incomplete action in past, present, or future. Now, future continuous. Hey James, have you got any plans this afternoon? Not really. I will go to bed early because I have to wake up at 7. What will you be going to do early this morning? I will be jogging around the park. I have gained some weight and I need to get rid of it. What will you be doing? I will be jogging. These are telling you the continuous events that we expect to happen in the future. It takes subject plus will plus be plus verb plus ing. I will be jogging. I will be jogging. What about Mary's party? What about it? Will you be coming with us? What time will you get there? Now, this is again you're giving us information about the future. We want to surprise her, so we will get there around 10. What a pity, from 9 to 10. I will be driving back home. From 9 to 10, I will be driving back home. We use future continuous to talk about something that will be in progress at or around the specific time in future. I will probably be a bit late. Doesn't matter, come soon as you can. I will see you there. I, you, we, they, he, she, it all take plus verb. Before that, we add will plus be, verb plus ing in the future continuous tense. Won't means negative form. We won't be living on earth. They will be working with aliens. You will be looking for minerals. You won't be looking for fossils. Now, children, I hope your future continuous and simple future is clear. Now, let's move on to exercises. Fill in the blanks with future tense of the given verbs. First, Neha will come home to meet me today. Mr. Bakshi will call you in the evening. The king will choose his favorite son as his heir. The students will perform a dance drama on Rabindra Jayanti. The bakery will shut in an hour. I will eat an hour later. I will bring back your books tomorrow. Nisha, will you go to school today? See, all are there in simple future. Now is the going to form. From tomorrow onwards, I am going to exercise for an hour. Diksha is going to study for exams tomorrow. The train is going to arrive at the station soon. I am going to attend a meeting in the evening. My father is going to buy me a bike soon. They are going to swim in the pool. Mrs. Kumar is going to discuss the matter with you. The principal is going to punish the offenders. Exercise C, now it's a continuous form. The flight will be landing at 5 p.m. The team will be celebrating its victory in the evening. The generals will be training. Will plus be plus verb plus ing form is used here. We will be watching. The director will be writing the script. The carpenter will be making new furniture for the office. My mother will be teaching in the new school from next week. John will be meeting Peter in Mumbai next month. They will be traveling across India for 2 months. Now, children, exercise D and E is your homework. You will do it yourself. D, two sentences I have done for you. It's like this: Kareem will be taking his grandmother to doctor. He will be participating in the Paralympic Games. You will complete all these 5 exercises and send me in English class group by today evening 5 o'clock. I am giving you time. Till then, bye. Have a great day. Thank you very much. Any problem you can ask me in tomorrow's live class. God bless you all. Bye, all of you.